This is the setup for thermal expansion experiment. So we had two parts, computer and the equipment. So this is the equipment. You see, we have 3 rods, brass, aluminum, and iron. We will put them on this, fix them at this two clamp. And the left hand side we have a micrometer, and we have a thermocouple. Where is the cable? Thermocouple. This is connected with the Logger Pro, and the software is Logger Pro. Y-axis is the change of length, and x-axis is temperature. And now the thermometer tells us the current temperature of the rod is 19.8 Celsius degree, and there are 2 data sets. So you see the change of length, the first column, and temperature, the second column. Before we heat up the rod, we will first measure the initial length of the rod. So we will read between the left end and the right clamp. So now this is the right clamp, right end. It's about 100.5 centimeter. So this side, the 0 matches the left end of the rod. So the initial length of this rod will be 100.5 centimeter. And another thing I want to show is so we are going to heat the rod, so we don't want the heat to go to the base. So this is the insulator, and we will include another insulator, some paper between the clamp and the end.
Put it in that clamp, and then you just get it kind of close.
Okay.
And then you make the final adjustment by turning the outer ring of this, and then you put it on 0.
Now you see its temperature is going up, the length is increasing. It's 4, 5. Okay, now you see it's already expanded about 18, and the temperature is 31. It's dropping. Now let's start collect data. Collect. So I will watch the number. Now it's 18, and I will type in 17. Okay, 17. I click keep, and you type in 17, and after a few minutes, this is the data I have so far. So I have like 10 data points. Of course, the more data you collect, the better. So I will click stop, and the next thing we will make a plot. Actually, this is now we have the data, the change of length and the change of temperature. So the y-axis is change of length, x-axis is temperature. So you see it's actually pretty linear. And let's highlight the data points and try a linear fit. And you see the slope of this line. This gives us 2.362% millimeter per Celsius degree. So you need to divide it by 100, that unit will be millimeter. And you can use this slope to find out the linear thermal expansion of this rod.